Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be teaching you how you can refer someone to your link. After you have actually registered on Alexa, this is how you share your referral link to people, and this is how you get your commission. So all you have to do is to come to your dashboard on Alexa. I remember I told you to save your details so you don't forget when next you are logging in. So you come to this your referral link here and you click on copy. So it has actually copied successfully. Okay, so all I'm going to do now is to go to my menu. Okay, I'll click on my menu. Don't worry, I told you Alexa is about advertisement, so all you have to do now is to cancel it and click on your menu, then you click on log out. Okay, after you have already logged out from this platform, then you head on to your WhatsApp. So I'm going to be sharing my other number, my link. So after I've shared it, I'll paste it here and I'll send it to whoever I want to send it to. It can be your family member, it can be your friends, anybody you are registering on Alexa. Just send them your link. So the person is going to click on my link. After the person click on it will bring them to this interface. Guys, make sure that the person that is registering, or the person that is registering under you, make sure they confirm that your name is showing on that, like it's showing joining under the platform. Make sure that they tell you that they are joining under you, because some people can actually register with admin, and the commission will actually go to the admin. It won't go to the person referring you, and that can cause fight between anyone down. So just instruct anybody that is registering under you to click on that link and nothing else. Okay, and even if they click on somebody else's link, that person will not be able to get them a coupon code. So that's why it's safe to tell your referrals that they should click on that link. So after the person click on this link, this is the interface they are going to use to register. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Everything you need to know about Alexa, or everything you need to know, if you want to know more, there's a link in my description and my comment section. Okay, that link will take you to my Telegram. You can chat me up directly from there. See you in my next one. Bye for now.